and feminine word. Buck, doe, gent, dame, lion, lioness, sir, madam, colt, filly, actor, actress, boar, sow, emperor, empress, lad, lass, wizard, witch, stallion, mare, gander, goose, waiter, waitress, husband, wife, ram, ewe, baron, baroness, uncle, aunt, drone, queen bee, count, countess, prince, princess, lord, lady, man, woman, peacock, peahen, master, mistress, son, daughter, he-goat, she-goat, fox, vixen, widower, widow, tiger, tigress, gentleman, lady, dog, bitch, hero, heroine, drake, duck, bridegroom, bride, brother, sister, ram, shearling, nephew, niece, baron, baroness, king, queen, boy, girl, cock, hen, sire, dam, host, hostess, duke, duchess, bull, cow, monk, nun, heir, heiress, bullock, heifer, stag, hind.